We can use ChatGPT to get summary of a book. We can give it any book and ask ChatGPT to give us 10 point, 20 points, 5 points summary of that book. For example, I'm asking ChatGPT to write a summary of 10 points about the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. And here if I press enter, it is going to start writing the Rich Dad Poor Dad summary in 10 bullet points. The first point, it says Rich Dad Poor Dad is a personal finance book written by Robert Kiyosaki. Okay, the book is based on the author's personal experiences and the lessons he learned from the Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Okay, thanks. The book emphasizes the importance of financial education and encourages blah blah blah. So it is going to give us 10 points summary about the book Rich Dad Poor Dad. Similarly, we can give it the name of any book and it will give us a summary. For example, please summarize the book Clean Code. And if I press enter, it is going to start summarizing the book Clean Code. Now this is up to ChatGPT that it summarizes the book in how many points. It may summarize it in 10 points, may summarize it in 5, 20, 30 points. So here it gives us the summary of the book and we can use it for learning the entire main idea of the book. We can use it anywhere. We can use it in our blog posts, we can use it in our YouTube videos, or we can use it anywhere we want. Here you can see that it gave us 10 bullet points about the book Clean Code, and it says that Clean Code, a handbook of agile software craftsmanship, is a book written by Robert C. Martin, also known as Uncle Bob, and the book focuses on the importance of writing code that is easy to understand, maintain, and modify. The book is aimed at professional software developers and covers best practices for writing clean, efficient, and readable code. Blah blah blah. It gives us 10 points summary about the book that we can use for our personal use. Similarly, you can use ChatGPT for summarizing any book, any context, any website, any code. You can also give it a blog post and it will give you the summary of that blog. For example, if we go to this link, totalhealthandfitness.com, and then copy this entire blog from here and paste it in ChatGPT, then write please summarize this text for me. Press enter and it is going to start summarizing this entire blog for you, and it will give you a paragraph, the summary, what this entire blog post is all about. So this way you can use ChatGPT to give you summary of a book, summary of a paragraph, summary of a blog, and anything. Thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you can be notified whenever new videos are posted here.